In our very first Imaginova film, we asked a simple question: what is a prompt? At the time, we let the mystery speak for itself. But today, let's answer it clearly, calmly, in a way that actually makes sense, because prompts are more than instructions. They're the beginning of every journey into AI, and they shape everything that comes after. A prompt is a description, a request, a starting point. But at its core, a prompt is this: a bridge between your imagination and the intelligence of the model. Think of a prompt like a director speaking to an actor, a map handed to a traveler, a recipe given to a chef. The AI has skills, but your words decide what those skills become. The moment you type a prompt, you're telling the system, this is the direction, walk with me. Here's the part most people don't realize. AI doesn't know what you want, it knows what you describe. Two people with the same idea can get completely different results, simply because they described that idea differently. A single word, dark versus soft, minimal versus vibrant, fast versus gentle, can change everything. AI responds to detail, tone, emotion, structure, perspective, even the order of your words. Prompts are not just text. They are scaffolding for the intelligence you're talking to. When you write a prompt, the AI doesn't understand the way humans do. It recognizes patterns, relationships, possibilities. A prompt acts like a magnet inside that space. It pulls certain ideas closer and pushes others away. If the model is a vast universe of potential, your prompt is the gravity. That's why vague prompts create vague results. Why scattered prompts create scattered outcomes. And why a well-crafted prompt feels almost magical. So how do you write a good prompt? 4 simple principles. 1. Be specific about what matters. If something is important, say it. Style, color, mood, speed, shape, purpose. 2. Keep the rest simple. AI doesn't need poetry unless you want poetry. It needs clarity. 3. Guide the system. Don't overwhelm it. One strong idea beats 10 competing ones. 4. Describe the output, not the process. Say what you want, not how to get there. Prompts aren't instructions to a machine. They're conversations with a collaborator. So, what is a prompt, really? It's not just text. It's not just a command. It's a vision, translated into language. A signal sent into an intelligence that reflects it back with possibility. And in that reflection, something new emerges, something between you and the AI. Every great creation begins the same way, with a few simple words, and the courage to imagine what they could become. Imaginova, where art meets intelligence. Powered by KidArt Studio.